Hi guys and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've got odd eyes and I can't find the baby wipe I used. Be right back. So now I found the baby wipe I used. Okay, so I did this look just because, you know, Halloween is coming and I just thought I'd just mess around a bit and, you know, see if I could do out with it. Just want to do some different looks for Halloween, really. Nothing like, well, I might do some like proper face painting ones because I do like doing those, but I might use my children as the bait for those because I'm really wanting to do a Pennywise one and my daughter really likes being Pennywise. So yeah, when I first showed my husband this look, he was like, what's that bit of red hanging down your eyes that's supposed to be there? And I was like, really? I wouldn't have come downstairs and said, does it look okay if it wasn't supposed to be there? Just saying. Anyway, let's let that dry. I actually haven't got any lipstick on at the minute, but I have pulled this one out because I really like this one. The LA Splash Classic Horror, and it's Dracula. But it's a really, really, really beautiful colour, and I honestly didn't think I'd be able to pull it off with my hair colour. You know, ponytail, all the sweat has got to it and now it looks like this. I mean, I might do like curl it off camera and then come back on with like the full look kind of thing. But I was thinking about doing that actual whole makeup thing today just because of the lipstick. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll do it. We'll see. Anyway, so let's get into this. Be right back. Forgot my concealer. Right, so first of all, we're going to go in with the Invaluable More Than Concealer L'Oreal Paris. And it's in the colour Ivory. So, I did actually buy some eyelashes from Primark. And I always say that I love the Primark eyelashes, which I do. I couldn't get the ones I usually get, which are like £2, the 3D iconic ones, I think they're called. They didn't have them in the one where I live. But I got some different ones and they were like, I think some of them were like £5. But I thought, do you know what? I've got to mess around going to this Primark, and it is annoying going to this Primark, for me anyway, where we live. And so I thought I'd order some off Amazon. Now, these lashes I've got on now are not off Amazon. I haven't tried these lashes yet. I will have to do a review on them actually. But these eyelashes cost me, I think they were $5.99. And they look like this. 4 pairs for $5.99. The band is thick. They look really pretty. So I will have to try those. I mean, I don't usually get another pair of eyelashes out till these ones are dead. I know it sounds gross, but, you know, I like to wear them out like till they're dead, basically. And yeah, some people might think that's disgusting, but when you're paying all this money out for eyelashes, I mean, well, I don't. I tend to go for the cheaper eyelashes because I was paying like nearly £10 a pair. And it was like when they break, you just feel so good. So I started going for the cheaper ones. So we're going to go in with this palette, the Saharan by Juvia, only because I wanted black and there wasn't a black in my blood sugar. So we're going to go in with this black colour, which is called Chad. I hate actually using black just because you never know what's going to happen with the bloody thing. I just don't like it. I did like, well, I'm doing it now, like a dabbing motion. And I found that if you do that, it tends to like not be as deep, you know, towards the where you're blending it out to. Because there's not really going to be a colour to blend it into. Do you know what? I'm getting that watery eye thing already. I hate that. I don't know why I get watery eyes. And then I'm going to go in the corner with it. I really don't know why I get watery eyes. It does my head in. It's like having watery eyes and doing your makeup is annoying. And this is not must be the bestest look I could have done. But, you know, it's okay. It's a quick, easy look. I could have gone a bit more dramatic, I guess. Like I said, I might do the rest of my makeup. Look at my hair. Do you know, I had it down early and it's just a mess. But yeah, I will try those. Also, I did, while we're talking about Amazon, I did order these as well. I liked the look of them. They're like possibly liquid lipsticks. And I just like the look of the colours. Nude, and you got like a red and a pink. And they were like $5.99 as well. So I mean, depending on how they look, how they are, and how they last, $5.99 is really cheap. Considering you pay like £16 sometimes just for one. Although I think my LA Splash ones, they usually last the longest. And I don't think I think they're 12. Like these ones are like £12. They have got some different colours at the minute on Beauty Bay, and I really want them. But we'll see. Right, so we're going to go into the blood sugar, and we're going to be using cherry soda. We're going to be using cherry soda, but then I went on top of the metallic blood sugar. So cherry soda. Actually, because I've used because I didn't change the brush, it looks like I'm using the blood sugar one. Just because I didn't change the brush. I think I only don't like doing the full makeup look because for me, because I don't do full makeup looks, it just always feels like too much effort. Or is that just because I'm lazy? Could be that. But it just feels like it's just too much effort because once you start putting your foundation on, then you're looking and you're like, okay, so if I just leave this foundation like this, I'll basically look like I'm dead. So then I have to do a bit of contouring or a bit of bronzing and stuff, and it's just like, you kind of keep adding to it, and it just annoys me. Right, so I'm going to just take this brush where I use the black. Just to blend it in a little bit. Oh yeah. And then I did get this one. This got nothing on it really, but I just fluffed it out a little bit. Actually, that eye looks better than that one. I don't know. I'm dying to do the whole full look, but it's just, I don't know. Right, so we're going to get some glitter glue, and this is the NYX. Like you get 3 different colours in it. I don't know if it says what colour it is, but you get like a gold and a rose gold, and then I've got red. So obviously I'm using red. I'm going to get this crappy little brush and just get some NYX glitter glue. And we'll just start off with putting a little bit up here. Then we're going to dip into the glitter. I still can't get over the fact that my husband was like, is that supposed to be there? Come on. I mean, come on. Would I really go downstairs with a bit? He was like, oh no, I thought you'd like dripped it on your face. Men. I just did it to be a little bit different, to be fair. I thought it kind of looked like a blood tear. Right, then we're going to go with a bit down here. And we're going to drag the glue down. We're going to drag the glue down so we get the bit of red down the bottom. Just in case you're watching. I feel like my son's going to come in here in a minute. He's off school at the minute because he's not well. He's either going to come in here or he's going to go play on an Xbox. I seem to be doing this side better than that one. It's crap really because I can't see too well in. I mean, we all want to be different when it's Halloween. You don't want, you know, I mean, Halloween is supposed to be different, aren't you? Right, so these lashes, I think the Primark. They must be Primark. First of all, I'm going to use this NARS Climax. I actually got this in my beauty box. I love the fact that I get some in my beauty boxes because I don't tend to want to buy mascaras and stuff. Like I said, I don't mind buying certain things. It's like I was going to buy the Violet Voss palette, you know, the Flamingo palette, that was it. I saw it on Beauty Bay and it's like 25 quid. And it was 40. I was like, I'm so tempted to buy it. But then I looked and I was like thinking, but would you really use it? I've got that many bloody palettes now. I haven't been doing my makeup videos, so they've not been getting used. So I really need to like get a crack on it and use these palettes. So we're going in with the Revlon Glow. We think the Primark eyelashes. Let them dry a little bit. Let me put this back on before I spill red glitter everywhere. Oh, and I picked these up today from Asda. These Halloween earrings. Because I've got like stretches in. If I go for hoops, I can actually put these in. And they'll look cute. Well, I hope they'll look cute. If they don't, then one of my daughters will most probably wear it. If I can get it in. Let's have a look. Really? I've just dropped it. What's going on here? Oh, you push it down. I'm trying to push it in a hole. Well, this is like a, yeah, it's alright. See, because I know it goes through a hole, but it's kind of like if you were wearing a hoop normally, I suppose. But then I don't know if I want to wear that. I think it would bug me. I'm so mardy today, sorry. I think it would bug me though. It would bug me. So yeah, let's wait for this to dry and then we can pop this on. But like I said, what I might do is, and I don't know, shall I do a full makeup thing or not? I might like pause the video because it's 13 minutes already. Go in and like maybe just go ahead and do the whole foundation thing. And then put this on. Dracula. I think it's like a ready purpley colour. I think. Don't quote me on that. I think it's like a ready purple. Or a brownie red. I can't remember. This one is like one of those. I think the scary thing is and all, since I've been brown, like since I've been getting a suntan, I don't know if I've got the right colour foundation. So, you know. And I think with doing my full makeup, I always feel like, I don't know, like it's over the top. So anyway, I'm going to pause this video and I'll either come back with full makeup or just lipstick and my hair done. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'm so glad you weren't watching me do that. It took ages. And I realised while I was doing it that I totally have not got the right colour foundation. It's too light. But yeah. So I've put the liquid lipstick on, which is Dracula. It is like a purpley, ready brown colour. But you do need to like maybe put it on like twice, just because when you first put it on, because it's so dark, it's not like proper opaque or anything like. So you're doing, it's really good stuff. It stays on whole day. It is really good stuff. It dries your lips out a little bit, mind, but it does stay there once it's on. Didn't do a really good job of curling my hair either. Ugh, today can go get lost. So yeah, it's all done. So if you liked this look, please like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully I will do some more Halloween-y kind of like makeup looks. I did actually add, if you don't see in the corner of my eye, it looks better in person actually. But I added this in, which is the Barry M holographic eyeshadow toppers, but I put it in the corner of my eye. So yeah, so that's it. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.